just picked up this RAZER VIPER V2 PRO mouse. Let's get it unboxed and find out what makes it pro.
A game of cat and mouse will never be the same again with the RAZER VIPER V2 PRO Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. RAZER's a huge name in the competitive esports circuit. Marved from Team Optic Gaming is the face of this particular gaming mouse and credits his 2022 VCT Major Championship win and Most Valuable Player Award to the RAZER V2 PRO Hyperspeed. In the man's own words, "I think this mouse was built for me." It's time to get excited. We're all about value for the dollar here at Review to You, and you'd think that a professional grade gaming mouse would cost you a pretty penny. But you'd be wrong. The V2 PRO Hyperspeed is 20% lighter than its predecessor. It only weighs an astonishing 2 ounces. The Focus Pro optical sensor on the belly side boasts best-in-class precision and accuracy, offering flawless tracking performance no matter the surface. There was once a time when mouse pads were a must-have, but this quiet achiever can be used on glass with only a slight loss in function. The Gen 3 optical switches located under each clicker have a 90 million click life cycle. Trust us, that's a lot, with no double clicking issues that seem to plague other branded gaming mouses. The switches themselves have a 0.2 millisecond actuation time, perfect for coping with the blisteringly fast pace of the professional gamer. Inside is a Hyperspeed wireless chip, connecting 25% faster than any other wireless tech on the market right now. Its extreme low latency is only slightly slower than having a wired connection. Battery life is quite good, with an 80-hour continuous use cycle between charges. Installation is a breeze, as the V2 PRO Hyperspeed is true plug-and-play. Once the USB receiver is plugged into your PC, Windows will take under a minute to install drivers, so you get to gaming sooner. So what do we like about the RAZER VIPER V2 PRO Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse? Something so lightweight should feel flimsy and cheaply made, but it doesn't. This is a rock-solid gaming mouse, and the performance speaks for itself. The price point is decent. Today it's $5 more than its direct competitor, the Logitech GPX Superlight, but has it beat in all performance metrics. While spending $150 on a mouse may seem a little steep for some, it's a drop in the bucket for the gaming enthusiast. So, what don't we like? Previous models from RAZER had a dock with a quick charge ability, a feature that is noticeably absent from the V2 PRO Hyperspeed. Though extremely responsive, the clickers on the mouse are a tad on the noisy side. And with the removal of the side buttons, if you're a lefty, you're out of luck. But enough from me, let's talk to Matt and find out what he thought.
Well, there's no question about it. This is hands down the lightest and most sensitive mouse that I've ever used. This thing's pretty insane. As far as gaming goes, this is the mouse you want. This thing is awesome.
Thanks, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the RAZER VIPER V2 PRO Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse? If you really want to get to know this mouse before dropping $150 on it, check out some of these other in-depth reviews we love. I'll drop links in the description below. All in all, if you're looking for pure performance, this is the mouse. Perfect for pretty much any competitive first-person shooter game. Besides the Starlight 12 from Final Mouse, there is no better gaming mouse right now. We're giving it a 9 out of 10, only because we missed the Chroma RGB. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick one up for only $149.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.